Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reprint shipping label on eBay. Let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on selling icon which is in bottom right corner. And this will open your selling section. Next, onto the order section, click on shipping labels. However, my order section is empty because I haven't sold anything yet from the eBay. However, I will guide you through the process. Next, after tapping on shipping label, this will show you a list of your recent orders and shipped items. Now find the order for which you need to reprint the shipping label and click on the more action drop down next to it. From the drop down menu, select reprint shipping label. This will open a new window with the shipping label. Review the shipping label details and click on reprint label. You can now print the label again for your package. And that's how you can reprint a shipping label on eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.